Hello, good day everyone. I'm Norico Gerald Diazon, and today I will be tackling my research paper, Generational Wisdom and Real-Time Precision, a multi-decade analysis of garbage collection innovations from Institute of Computer Science, College of Arts and Sciences, University of the Philippines, Los Baños, UPLB. Abstract Overview: Unveiling the Journey of GC. This study analyzes the evolving role of garbage collection in programming languages such from 1990 to 2023, examining its implications for software performance, maintainability, and scalability. Contemporary GC strategies, particularly generation concurrent and real-time collectors, have significantly advanced in mitigating latency and runtime overhead, making them increasingly viable for performance-sensitive and real-time applications. The core challenge: memory management, a foundational concern. Programming languages use various memory handling strategies, including manual allocation in languages like C, C++, and automatic garbage collection in modern languages such as Java, Python, and Golang. Garbage collection is designed to simplify memory handling by automatically reclaiming unused memory, which reduces memory leaks and pointer-related bugs. Trade-offs: While automatic memory management offers significant benefits in ease of development and error reduction, it can introduce trade-offs such as runtime overhead and unpredictable process. These trade-offs may negatively impact application performance. Of course, this research specifically investigates the performance implications of GC languages compared to those relying on manual memory management. Research question and scope: How does garbage collection in programming languages affect application performance compared to manual memory management strategies? Particular emphasis is placed on modern garbage collection techniques, includes generational, concurrent, and real-time collectors, and their effectiveness in balancing performance demands with the developer convenience. By analyzing publications from 1990 to 2023, this study aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of the evaluations and impact of GC collections innovations in several decades. Theoretical framework and data sourcing. This study employs a modified approach based on the framework presented by Hallinger and Kovacevic in 2019 to systematically analyze the research landscape of memory management. Data was sourced from Scopus database, encompassing over 100 peer-reviewed publications focused on memory management and garbage collection. This analysis covers publications from 1990 to 2023, allowing for an examination of development since foundational works and the identification of evolving trends, materials, and methods. To maintain rigor and transparency, the study adheres to the preferred reporting items for systematic reviews and meta-analysis PRISMA guidelines. The research selection process involved three stages: identification of studies via database and registers, N is equals to 85 screening excluding 56 reports not relevant to programming language, garbage collection or programming language with GC, and finally including 28 eligible studies for review. Data analysis tools. So both viewer and bibliogeny was used in this paper for those viewer for co-authorship and co-citations, and bibliogeny was employed to analyze keyword strengths, geographical distribution of research, and impact of individual documents. Findings: This bibliometric analysis based on 88 Scopus Index publications from 1990 to 2023 reveals several key trends. The volume of research shows a fluctuating pattern with publication peaks observed in 2004 to 2005, 2016, and 2022, followed by intermittent declines. The overall annual growth rate is calculated at 2%, indicating modest but sustained academic interest over the decades. ACM SIGPlan notices exhibited a distinct early peak around 2004 before a sharp decline, contrasting with consistent lower output from other sources. Citation performance (NH index). The 10 most cited documents in the dataset collectively yield an H-index of 10, indicating that at least 10 documents have received 10 or more citation hits. While publication frequency among these top papers has been low, not exceeding 2 per year, citation rates have remained steady with visible peaks in 2006, 2015, and 2018. A decline in citations is noted post to 2023, reflecting either a saturation point or shifting focus in research priorities. Schools of thoughts, thematic clusters. Keyword co-occurrence networks generated through a thematic map biblioshiny reveal distinct schools of thought based on co-authorship patterns among key researchers. Thematic clusters were identified through node density and centrality. This analysis adapts the conceptual structure framework from Narrow and Hallinger 2023 with clustering principles informed by Area et al. 2020 and Cobo et al. 2015, and visualization approaches adapted from Hirsch 2005 and Hull and de Oliveira 2022. Brain cluster. This cluster represents early foundational work in garbage collection. It includes research on real-time scheduling, theoretical models, and early implementations of GC systems. This body of work emphasizes low-level systems design and memory management principles that influence modern collectors. Thread cluster. This cluster is centered around Java-based GC, especially in embedded or real-time systems. Research within this cluster includes work on the Java-optimized processor (JOP) and how GC can be fine-tuned for specific application domains. Yellow cluster. This central cluster focuses on optimization techniques, generation of GC, and improving the efficiency of GC systems in real-world applications. It bridges foundational research with applied scalable implementations. Blue cluster. Although not primarily focused on garbage collection, this cluster connects memory management with distributed systems like MapReduce. It indicates how large-scale computing frameworks related to and influence GC strategies. Purple cluster. This cluster includes general systems literature and integrational or supporting works. These works provide context or introductory perspectives on computer systems and memory management, supporting and informing the more specialized clusters. Conclusion takeaways. The analysis confirms GC technologies have steadily advanced from foundational theoretical models to practical, real-time, and generational GC systems capable of meeting the performance demands in the modern software. Thematic clustering revealed diverse research trajectories from low-level system design to embedded to real-time Java applications. The dominant influence of institutions like Purdue University and scholars such as J. Butte points to strong academic leadership in this space. Future directions. Future research should build on these insights by exploring emerging paradigms such as region-based memory management, hybrid approaches, and machine learning-driven GC optimization. Furthermore, more empirical evaluations across real-world large-scale software systems could strengthen the connection between academic research and industrial application. By tracing the intellectual development and practical advancements in GC, this study not only maps the field but also provides a foundation and future innovations in automatic memory management. Thank you. This concludes my research paper or analysis, providing a foundation for future innovations in automatic memory management.